So something that you may deal with living out in the country or a more rural life is sometimes you get power fluctuations. A lot of us may have generators, things like that. But what do you do when you're in a situation and you lose power and you need that backup without having to spend tens of thousands of dollars on a big generator or installing solar? Well, right now I've been checking out the Duracell 300 Power Pack, which has been working great.
So let's go ahead and take a look to see what's in the Duracell Power 300 Portable Power Station. So right up top here we have the power supply to charge it up. We have an AC and a DC adapter to charge the unit up. And then inside here is the actual unit. You can see that branded copper top. It is really a cool looking design. And it does have a good amount of weight to it, and it just overall has a lot of plugs, everything from USB, AC outlets. It has a built-in flashlight, tons of different options here with that screen that will also show you the power consumption, how much is left on the battery. You have your DC plug, so plenty of different options here to keep you powered up. Right out of the box, I had 66% power, which was really nice. Charged it all the way up.
Now I powered my laptop for a little bit over an hour, no problems whatsoever with it. And then as far as like using it on cell phones and things like that, it was really great. It charges up to full capacity really easily, has USB ports, has AC ports on it. It was nice. Now they do offer a way that you can order solar panels for this too. So if you want to do something like that, you can get a solar panel for it, which will keep it charged all the time. So that would make it really great for something like for camping or travel, or just to really keep it as a backup through your house, or use it in the shed, things like that. But it had so much power that I was really shocked. At one point I had my laptop plugged in, I had two cell phones and a old school CD boombox, if you want to call it that, just to test it out to see how long it lasted, and it did a great job. The other thing about this, I really like that they took this unit and made it the Duracell brand and made it look like the Duracell, the copper top. But overall, I would highly recommend this for anybody that either has a homestead, lives out in the rural life, country, in the country, anything like that, whether you're camping, just going out for the weekend for fishing, or just anybody. I mean, you never know when a storm's going to come through. Has plenty of power to keep you going. I mean, those little battery packs are great, but something like this, it's just going to keep your phone charged, especially in an emergency. If you're not using it for a laptop, you're going to get a really, really long runtime for just recharging your phone. Highly recommend this. This is the Duracell
Power 300 Portable Power Station.